Ciao world! What you see here is an audio board. It is a Terratec Phase 88 rack board. It is an audio board from middle 2000 here, and it discontinued now. And I have two. I have buy two because the price is so good for 8 plus 8 channel. I know there's something wrong with this because the seller tells me, and that's the reason why he sells this at a low price, but I want to try to repair the one broken. What is the issue with this? Channel 7 and 8 that are the two that has also microphone input here. As issue with noise. You cannot hear anything from channel 7 and 8, just noise coming in. And all the channel has line input. Channel 7 and 8 has also microphone input with phantom power on if you press this. To repair this board, what I've done is, because I cannot find the schematics for this board, I have traced the signal where from channels 7, and I have found that the signal goes straight into an op-amp here. The problem is that if you trace the signal from the line in, as soon as you plug the power in, it switches to microphone in if the software is not connected. If the software is connected, the software drives the input and you can select which one. But I just connect this without the software. I don't connect this to a PC, and so I am able to use the microphone input when I plug the power in. So what I've done is to put a sine signal inside one of those two input, and with power on, I have found that out of the first op-amp there's only a DC signal, and that's the reason why I cannot hear nothing. So what I think is that this op-amp here is broken. This is what I think. So now I'll try to unsolder this and solder a new one. By the way, this op-amp is a LMA33, and I have buy a few, and let's check if I can repair this. Okay, so let's check if I've done well. I have soldered this with a air gun, and let's check the pins. Remove the thermal paper protection for this relay and the connector, and okay, and this one. Okay. Now let's clean those two and check if it works. It seems to work. Now I am on channel 8 here using the mic, and here you can see this small LED is the clipping LED. If I take the volume up and up, you can see it is clipping. And also on the repair interface here you see it has clipped, and if I turn the volume up, the track goes up and then finally clips. Okay, now I have to close the board and install it. And this is where the cards are located. You see those two. And there is one master and one slave. PC is down there. Big monitor. And here I have the drum and back the other instruments. And now it's running on Spotify, but it runs also, of course, in Reaper. And I have some problem running the Windows driver, but when I have set this to 24-bit 98 kilohertz, the internal and the Windows output for this board, I have no more problem. The problem I have was some clipping in the output, not in the recording. ASIO is all okay, no problem with ASIO.